What up, everybody? It's your boy, KCYBC, man. So this is a project for my job, from work that I thought would be a cool series for the YouTube channel, man. It's the boss's daughter's truck. She ended up driving it with no oil in it, and the engine locked up. So it's my job. I get to rebuild a new block. So hell yeah, man. I'm hyped on that. It's one of the reasons I took the job, is I wanted to get some experiences, and I'm just a tire guy, but I get to do this, so it's freaking sick. I'm hyped on it. So follow along and hope you guys enjoy it too. But yeah, so here it is. My first engine build, man. Ford 460 big block, baby. Whoo! I didn't know anything about these things, but once I looked into them, they be making some big horsepower numbers, man. I fucks with it. But apologies for most of this video being in the vertical format. I wasn't really thinking about it. I was a dumbass for that. Again, apologies. But it's just this first episode, I promise. And it's not the whole video, but unfortunately it is a lot of the clips. But anyways, enjoy the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoy the series. Follow along. Ooh. Been rebuilding this thing in my free time at work. God damn. These gaskets are kicking my ass. They're like the original gaskets from like 1980, man. I cannot get them off. I finally got this side clean. Sheesh. Got this thing all cleaned. Hell yeah. Man, this thing's so old and rusted and caked. The guy I've been working with, he's already broke 2 bolts taking this off. I'm trying to take the freaking header off, and I just broken them. God damn, dude. Just broke my first bolt on her. Man, you should have seen this shit before I got to it. Damn, dude. Then the very next one snaps. These things have seen better days. Hell yeah. Got lucky on that. God damn. I get to the other side. Somebody's already snapped that one. Son of a... Fuck me, man. These things are so seized in, I can't even get them. Can't even get them turning, and I still gotta knock that one out too. God damn, bro. At least I got them drilled pretty good. Bro, you've got to be shitting me. What the fuck? God damn it. That one split right on the fucking thread. I don't know how I'm gonna get that one out. Somehow I broke the fucking thread thing in that, god damn it. Holy fuck. Fuck yeah. Fucking thing was stuck on. Popped it off. Fucking dragged all the way down my leg. Landed on my fucking foot, god damn it. So I dropped that head right on my foot when I popped it off on accident. I'm pretty sure I broke my foot, but your boy doesn't have health insurance, so you know I ain't going to the doctor. I just had to suck it up and get back to work. Was what it was. Oh shit. Nasty. What up? Hell yeah. Finally got those all ready to rock. Just gotta get the valve springs out of those ones, replace it with these ones. But I got this thing looking pretty freaking good. Underneath too, got those all freaking cleaned up. This thing was nasty, dude. Everything I pull off is just disgusting. Fuck yeah. Time to throw this thing back together, man. Yeah, that side's on. Just gotta finish sealing this one, torque them down. Yeah. Hell yeah. That's tight. Sick. Hell yeah. Made some progress on this thing today. Tomorrow I'll put on the oil pan, the headers, start making my action, man. We did fuck up. We're gonna have to take this intake off in the morning. Forgot the gaskets. We're gonna have to scrape that off, put more on, get the gaskets, put it back on. Space that. Shit. Work's over though. Time to go home. Fuck, man. It's making progress. Was almost done with this fucker. And we realized that. This one's got the same problem, but it hasn't been fucking drilled out and welded. This one's fucked, so I don't know if we can use it. This engine's one thing after the other. God damn it. At least it looks like an engine now. Useless, just a automatic fucking choke. So we're just gonna RVT that shit real good. It's pointless. Got an aftermarket freight carb with a choke on it, so hell yeah, problem solved. Man, every day I see this wreck, I get upset. It's the same kind I bought, but when I got mine, I couldn't get a 4 tier. They only had 3. What the hell, man? Just gotta get these headers back on. Fuck, boys, we got an engine. Sick. You guys are on KCYBC?
Yeah.